Oh my freaking god, what the fuck?
Poppin', welcome back to my channel. We are gonna get started with a transformation video because bitch, it's getting so hot. Well, not so hot, but it's getting warm, and I gotta prepare for summer 2019 because it's about to be lit, crazy, all that. Summer 2019 is about to be wildin', and sis, I gotta get it together. Listen, we can't be outside like this, especially in the summer. So this is gonna be basically me getting ready for summertime, well, the warm weather, like a little transformation video. So if you want to see me transform, keep on watching. But I'm gonna get started with the hair I'm gonna be getting installed in my head this week. It is a lace. I'm gonna show y'all the hair that's about to get installed in my head. I'm super geeked because it's super long. I forgot the inches out, like picked out, you know, I don't know, I just forgot, and I'm like, dang, I'm really built to be a baddie. Like, my hair's gonna be long, as fuck. So the hair that I'm gonna get installed in my hair is the new Della version hair. This packaging is so cute, and y'all, I just unraveled this. I thought it was like one of them long scarves because it was like folded up cute and the like plastic stuff. Y'all, they literally gave me a whole silk scarf. Like, what? Like, this scarf is gonna lay my baby hair so bright and so good. Like, they already knew that I had to lay my lace when I go to sleep. They already knew. They had me prepared. So shout out to Nudella for that, because no hair company has ever gave me a silk scarf to lay my baby hairs or my lace like when I go to sleep. Like, that is unheard of. So thank you so much, because I be losing my scarves, like in the beginning, glue and stuff on it, and it just be These are 4 bundles of the Body Wave hair. I got 2 28 inches. 28. I don't even think I ever had 28 inches before, ever. And they're in the Body Wave. I look so washed out right now. It's not cute. Like, ugh. Can I be a baddie already? Because this is not cute. Oh my god. I look like that fish off of fucking Shark Tale. Oh my god. But anyways, this is the hair. It's Body Wave hair. It's super pretty and it's super soft. I cannot wait to get this installed in my head. It is super long. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why do I look like this? Like, this is freaking me out. And then y'all, I just got out the shower, so I'm literally like winded or something. And then obviously I just told y'all I'm getting a lace. So this is the lace. They don't have transparent lace, but this lace is super thin and super light. So I'm really not mad at it. And the hair is super soft and it looks pre-plucked or something, but I don't think it is. But I think that's just how the lace is, and it's sitting there nicely and cute. Much. I tried it on earlier, like on my skin. So yeah, it's gonna lay down good. Ew, that was ugly. Yeah, I'm pretty excited for this. So yeah, I can't wait. It's gonna be laid. My baby hair is gonna be hidden. I'm gonna be hidden. Oh my god. Oh my god. And I'm transforming this into what my stylist is putting this as a wig. So yeah, that hair is getting made into a wig. I'm super excited. And y'all, this transformation is about to get real, because I'm about to get lip injections. Like, I'm so excited and nervous at the same time. But yeah, I'm getting lip injections, lashes, nails, hair, all that. We doing all that. We doing all this. 2019, I'm coming for you. 2019 summer, I'm coming for you. Like, this is my summer. This is my summer to live it up and be a baddie and just live my best life. And everybody should live their best life this summer. I'm encouraging it. Do whatever the fuck you want to do, period. Like, don't explain nothing to nobody. Don't. Just do you. Live your best life, and that's what I'm about to do. So if you want to see me transform, just keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Before you even continue watching this video, subscribe. Thank you. I look so fucking ugly. Good morning, y'all. Today it's been a couple days. Today is Saturday. So I've been waiting for my wig to get done, which has been a fucking headache. It's 7:30 in the morning right now on Saturday, and I'm about to go get my lip injections. I'm nervous, kind of. Like, I just really want, like, if y'all will probably never tell, but my mouth is more like curved on this side and it's more fuller on that side. I just want it to be even, and I want my top lip to match my bottom lip. So it's just an enhancement. I don't want to look fake or anything. So yeah, I want to keep my shape. I'm ready to go crazy. Like, I'm fucking from LA, like, and I love plastic surgery, which I'm not against plastic surgery, but the bitches that be overdoing their lips is just like. And then I get my lashes done tomorrow, and then hopefully my wig will be done. But yeah, so that's it for today. And it's supposed to fucking snow today. Like, that's really a bummer. Like, why is it snowing and it's gonna be May? Like, that is so crazy. It's supposed to snow like 8 inches. Get me out of here, okay? Get me out now. And I just woke up, so, but I brushed my teeth, so don't come for me. But I'm about to get ready and head out to my appointment, and I will see y'all when I get there.
Well, I'm not very good at Instagram.
Really?
Try not to show my mess back here.
I won't.
Like a kitchen, I get kind of crazy.
Y'all, so the numbing cream is on. My lips are fucking numb as fuck. It is on my tongue, which is weird as shit. I just signed my consent form and stuff like that, and I asked her if I can record. She said, yeah, that's fine. She was like, girl, your lips are gonna look bomb. She looked like Kris Jenner, y'all. She's so cute. But I'm at La Image in Franklin, so yeah, I'm pretty excited. But it's gonna be fucking crazy.
Just get you cleaned up first. Strong alcohol solution, okay?
Okay.
And you hold your breath. You can breathe. Doing okay?
I can't feel anything.
Good.
My lips. Day 1. Right after. They cute. But I'm pretty happy with the results. I mean, it's so swollen right now. But I'm pretty sure they'll shrink down because I look like a fucking fish. But yeah, she said no lipstick for like a day or something like that. I wasn't planning on going anywhere anyways, because look at the fucking weather. Bitch, it's gonna be fucking May, and it's fucking snowing. We're supposed to get like 7 inches or some shit. And then listen, before y'all come for me in the comments, listen, getting my lips done is not changing anything. It was just an enhancement. I just wanted to make my top lip a little bigger, like my bottom lip, just because my top lip was just not there, honey. Like, it was just, I don't know, I would have to overline it like for real good. I just didn't like it. So yeah, but it's really snowing really bad right now, so I'm gonna put y'all down, and yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all once I get to the nail shop. Oh my god, I can't believe I got lip injections. Like, this is crazy. But they don't look bad. Like, I just need to put some lip gloss on or something. I'm just putting it on this like ointment thing she gave me to put on every couple hours. So yeah, the lady that did my lips, she was so informative. Like, we talked before she even touched me and like went over everything. So yeah, and I'm pretty sure once I put my lip liner on and my lipstick, my cork, and my honey love, bitch, you won't be able to tell me nothing. I'm gonna be a brass doll in this hoe. My nails look so ugly.
With every passing moment, thoughts of you run through my head. Every time that I'm near you, I realize that you're here.
You want to say hey to the vlog or no? No. She's shy, y'all. I'm not gonna put her face in it. Okay, y'all, so it's the next day. Update on my lips. I forgot to tell y'all, she barely put anything on my bottom lip because my bottom lip was already big. Literally the only problem part was the top area, and that's where she put the most filler. But this is my lips today. I kind of put some lip liner and a little bit of lip gloss because I'm about to go get my eyelashes done. And I mean, my top lip is like swollen, but it's gonna go down, and I'm pretty sure the shape is gonna look good. But yeah, I mean, it's a process. I mean, I'm not gonna be like, oh my god, what the fuck? Like, I'm not that type of person. I know it takes time. Like, it took a lot for me to know patience and know the process. Like, I swear, like. But yeah, it's just a process. I mean, I don't look like a fish or anything, or do I? Yeah, I'm just about to go get my eyelashes done. It's 8:53, and she literally just, I text her like on the dot, like my appointment is at 9 o'clock, so I'm just waiting for the time to pass. And yeah, and then later on after this, I'm gonna go get my hair done. Y'all, I swear to God, like, being a girl, I was just thinking, like, a girl's life is literally full of appointments. Like, I swear, like, it's so fucking crazy. But what are you gonna do? What are we gonna do? Like, it's crazy. But yeah, I'm just about to go up in here. I'm gonna show y'all my lash tech and everything. I love her because she literally is the lash tech god. Like, you can literally get options. She don't do one length, and I don't like that because I'm really like a confused bitch, and I like to have options. One day I might want this time, like one day I might want this, another day I might want that. Like, I like to switch up my lashes, but I like to flare it out mostly at the ends. But yeah, and I'm just getting a classic today, no volume or nothing. I'm already extra with my fucking lips, so but yeah, so I'm just gonna take you guys in there with me. And yeah, oh my god. Say hey.
Come on, not today.
Come on, just like a white bitch. No, I'm just kidding. But y'all, she's about to do my lashes. I was just telling them that you be having options. Why was I am in Atlanta, right? And this girl, I asked her, I was like, I want different ones, and she's like, I only do one length. I was like, bitch. Hey y'all, so lashes are done. They cute or whatever. I wanted them to be like cat eye, and I think this is her classic set because that's what I booked the appointment for. So yeah, she does a really good job. So if you live in the Racine, Wisconsin area, Milwaukee, all that shit, you could just come down, get your lashes done by Nicole. She does them so fucking perfect, like so perfect. Do you see that? I'm gonna be on my way back to Milwaukee to go get my hair done because girl, this has got to be under control. So I will see y'all once I get to my hair appointment, y'all. The struggle of being a bad bitch. So y'all, I'm at the next destination, which is getting my fucking hair done.
You want mine? You want mine?
Yeah, so we about to get this done. I never got my hair done on a Sunday, so this is weird. So we're about to get this hair started. I'm about to get a lace. He made it into a wig and dyed it black. I don't know where it's at, but y'all gonna see it on my head. So yeah, we finna be a bad bitch, okay?
Fucking white man been at me. And he got money. He got money. But he ugly.
She ugly,
but he's ugly.
It's always like that. It's never a package deal, honestly, truly.
What is exactly going to be in there. This is
So y'all, this is the wig my stylist made. His Instagram will be in the description box below. If you have any wig inquiries, he can definitely make it for you. He can make a closure, lace, anything. So he's about to put this on my head. I'm so excited. And we did dye this jet black. Alright y'all, so it's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I just did my makeup, my hair, and yeah, it's a whole transformation and update. Bomb. So don't forget to check out Nudella hair. This is a lace that I have on. It's super beat. Oh my god, like I got the light brown lace and it's so bomb, y'all. You can't go wrong. So don't forget to check that description box to make sure you check out the hair and let me know how y'all like it if y'all check it out. So yeah, so I love y'all so much. I'm so happy y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.